Okay, good day to all. Today I'm going to go through whatever accessories that I bought from Shopee for my Alza 2022 advanced pack. So let's go through one by one. So number one, let's talk about this. So this is the key for my Alza. So this is the key cover, or remote cover. As you can see, this I think it's cost around 20 bucks. Okay, so this is it. So next is the steering cover that I bought for, I think, around 12 bucks. So white color, because to suit my car's white body color paint. Then come to here. So for this, for the head unit, I bought a screen protector. So this screen protector, I think it's around 15 bucks RM, ringgit Malaysia. Next, let's talk about this. This is the TPMS, the tire pressure monitoring system that I bought for 60 bucks. So later I'll go out and show you the connector to the tire inlet, the tire air inlet. Later I'll show you. So next, this is the dashboard. Let me put here first. So this is the dashboard cover. So it's leather. So this I think I bought for slightly above 30 bucks, ringgit Malaysia 30. So it's quite okay. To me it looks premium, and it's soft to the touch. So this is actually to protect my dashboard. So I hope that it won't I think it won't make any influence. It won't influence any of the airbag. If you can see here, the airbag is under here. So I will presume if the airbag deployed, it will just comes up like this. Okay, then next, okay, this is the cable that I bought. Actually I have an old cable, but this the old cable, when I connected to my phone, it doesn't really connect properly to the head unit, so I need to buy a new one. So this is the higher memory transfer cable, so for smoother connection from my phone to the head unit. So the previous one, I think, is because it's too slow, or the transfer rate is too slow, so there's some problems there. Okay, then I'll go through one by one. And next is okay, for this, if you can see, this is the slot rubber mat for all the compartments. As you can see here, these compartments, and then some other compartments like over here. Okay, so you can see here, compartments mat is all over the place here. All over, it's over here. Yeah, so this is for to lower the sound of as you can see, all is plastic. So if you put a rubber mat on all the compartments, it should be noise reduction. Yeah, some noise reduction like this, especially like here. As you can see, there's compartment, rubber mat in this compartment as well. Over here as well. It's underneath here. Okay, next let's go through this. Well, this is the 70 mi 70 mi dash cam. Let me start first the engine here. So this 70 mi camera actually is transferred from my old car to here. So I DIY'd myself, yeah. So it will go through on top here, it'll go through the A pillar, and, this one is for the back, and another one is for this one. Go through on the top and go down, and straight away the power outlet is here. The power is connected to here. Okay, and for the back, you will just go through. So I didn't go through the top part, yeah, because I'm scared of the curtain airbags. It will impact on the curtain airbags. So I positioned the cable all the way under here, all the way to the back there. Okay, later I'll show you the back camera. Okay, and then the next one is this sunshade. Let me open up for you and see. So this sunshade, okay, it's the Alza sunshade. I think I spent almost 20 over bucks, 30 over bucks, I think. So this sunshade is magnetic, so you can just put on with the magnet. So it's quite useful, yeah. So especially on a sunny day, I can reduce the sunlight that comes into the cabin. Okay, I think that's all over here. Anything else? I don't think so. That's all in here. And then okay, next I will talk about the car mat. So this car mat is I think the brand is nano mat or something. So I spent almost 100 over bucks, below 200, yeah? I think 178 plus shipping. It's almost 190, yeah, 190. So as you can see, it's called nano mat. So it's locked in place on this slot here. As you can see, the original mat is still under there. Yeah, original mat I just put on top. Yeah, I think that's it. The outer part. So let me switch off the engine. Okay, next is this Perodua door protector, rubber protector. Is just stick on, yeah, just a stick on. Okay, the DPMS, this is the DPMS. So front right. So if you continue monitor the tire pressure non-stop, huh? Yeah, and let's go to the back. So another protector. Oh, Okay, let me open first. Next one is the scaffolding sticker. This one is matte black, so I stick onto the front and also for the back. So for the back also as well, so you can see the compartment. Yeah, every compartment you have a rubber mat, and also here, so you have the magnetic sunshade. Okay, so we just stick on. Okay, see, it's just nice. As you can see, it's just nice. Quite, it's the same size as per the window. Okay, then this is the rubber mat, the car mat carpet. Okay, and then the hook. Yeah, I bought this at I think 2 ringgit with the Perodua logo, which it will illuminate at night. Yeah, and this is I think 60 cents, so I bought some for the hook. So for our Alza, they don't have tetari hooks, so we need to buy some. It's quite cheap lah, no issue. And after that, this one I think it come from the Perodua. Yeah. Okay, let's go to at the back. At the back, so the car mat, the nano mat, you can see the original size is so small only. So this one is bigger, and so rubber compartment, rubber mat for the compartments. Okay, I think that's all. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, that's all. Okay, and then we go to the back to show you the DIY camera, the dash cam. So you can see, actually it goes all the way from the side here, bottom, yeah, all the way comes down here, comes down over here, and it goes down. Just for info, I bought a extension cable so that it added a 3.5 meter, because this car is a bit long. So for my old Lazio, it can goes back no problem, but for the Alza, it needs to another 3.5 meters for my when I do DIY. So I bought the extension cable all the way through here and under the rubber. You can see it's under the rubber, and all the way down there rubber, and it comes out here. Yeah, it's a bit ugly here. Sorry about that, but I have to, because it's a DIY. So the cable comes in here and goes all the way up to here and connect to the dash cam here, the back. So it's a dash cam A500S 70 mile model. So I think that's it. Yeah, the scuff plate, scuff sticker also I stick over here. So let's see how long it lasts. Yep, that's it. This one comes from the Perodua, this one, gear up. It's free from my sales guy. This is the door visor. So I think that's it, yeah. So what do you think about my accessories that I bought from Shopee? I think it's a few $100, yeah, I spent for all these accessories to accessorize my Alza 2022 advanced bag. So please write down in the comments if you have any comments, and please subscribe and like the video and share if you like my channel. Thanks for watching. Peace.